Triceratops. Triceratops is one of the most famous dinosaurs. He lived 68 million years ago in the territories of the present North America. Let's make this dinosaur out of clay. We'll use 3 colors of clay. So let's start. The Triceratops had a very large skull with a bony frill. He also had a narrow beak. His 800 teeth grew in 5 rows and were continually renewed. Okay, we have made the eyes. Here's the dinosaur skull ready. Triceratops means 3-horned face. 2 of horns were long, about 1 meter length, and placed above each eye, and 1 short horn above the nostrils. Let's add some bony thorns on the frill. Let's make the trunk and the tail. Now let's connect the skull and the trunk. We have to sculpt 4 paws. 2 posterior ones, bigger, and 2 anterior, smaller. That's the one. And 1 more. Here it is. We are forming the claws and fixing them on the dinosaur's paws. Let me tell you something more about Triceratops. It was a herbivorous dinosaur. He had a stocky body constitution and in a way it was like a rhino. It was 9 meters in length, 3 meters in height, and 12 tons in weight. A very interesting kind of dinosaur, doesn't it? Here's the Triceratops we learned to make out of clay. Do you like it? Then give him a like. See you!